Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python package which actually returns you the YouTube videos in a JSON response. So if you wanted to actually search YouTube videos, this will be a great package for you. So it actually searches the YouTube here based upon a specific keyword. Here you will see I have written coding section and it will return the videos in the form of JSON. You'll see that. So you can basically change this keyword. Let's suppose I say free media tools. Let me search my YouTube videos, and as I run this Python script, what you will see, the search results are being saved as at YouTube search results. So it will create this file here, YouTube underscore search results, and you will actually see three videos will be returned to you. This data is coming from YouTube data API. You see the video ID, you see the title of the video, you see the actual thumbnail and the title of the video. Same goes with the second video. You get all this information using this free package of Python, and for this you don't require any sort of API key. As you can see, we haven't used the YouTube data API key, so you can use it for unlimited number of time and to actually query the YouTube data API. So let me show you the module here. If you go to the just search for this package. So this is actually a Python package. The command is very simple: pip install py-youtube. So just go to your command line and just execute this command, pip install py-youtube, and just install this package. This will take hardly 5 seconds to install, and as you can see in the documentation they have given how to use this. So now let me show you how to use it. So first of all, at the very top we first of all require this package py-youtube, and from this we need to import the search package, which will actually search a particular YouTube video, and also we will be storing it as a JSON response. We will also be importing the built-in JSON module, and then we will initialize this search method, and here you will specify whatever keyword that you want to search. Let's suppose I want to search videos about Python programming, and then we can even pass a limit as well right here, how many videos you want to return. So here we can also pass the limit. So I say that I want to see at 5 videos about Python programming from YouTube, and we will simply say dot videos. So this is actually the function, and now if I print this right here, this will actually return me the JSON response. If I execute this Python script here, you will see that all this JSON response is returned to us, array of object. Each object is containing about the title, thumbnail, everything is about containing the video. So now we can store this response which is coming to a JSON file here. For this we will simply say with open, and we say output.json. So we'll store this in the write mode, and then we can even provide a encoding, and we can simply dump this in a JSON file here like this. You'll see that JSON dump videos. So then we can simply show a simple notification that your data has been saved to this file. So now what happens here, if you see, if you execute the script right here, python app.py, you will see it will create this YouTube search results.json file, and you will see it will contain videos about Python. It actually comes with the ID of the video, then the title, then we also get the thumbnail. Again, you will see, you can open this thumbnail, you can see it is showing the live preview. This is the first video, this is a second video, we have the third video. So in this way guys, you can query the YouTube data API with this free Python module. You don't require any sort of API key, and you install this module and simply use it. And here you can change it. Let's suppose PHP, I change this limit to 10 videos. So now what happens, if you see, if I again run this, so now if you see, now it is saying the PHP. So you can see In this easy way, you can construct any sort of YouTube searching video kind of an application or build an API because it is giving you the JSON response like this. You can build any sort of application. It can be mobile web application with this JSON data which is coming right here. It's completely free. We haven't used any API key for this. So this is a free package. You can install it and use it. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website which is freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.